Welcome. In this quick and easy tutorial, I'll be showing you how to redeem Bitget points. All right, so first up, go to log into your account at bitget.com. And then once you're in here on your dashboard, just hover your mouse onto your profile. And in here, you're going to find, rewards. So what you're going to do is just click on the rewards section and it will open up the rewards hub. Now, what you're going to do in here, as you can see, we have your total points and then your daily check-in. So just click on daily check-in right here and claim your 5 points. Okay. So just click on claim now and then hit on OK. And you'll be able to see it right here under your or my points. Now, as you can see here, we have these tasks. Okay. If you want to, you could go ahead and do these tasks. For example, reach 20 USDT in spot trading volume. Well, you can go ahead and trade and then you will receive 10 points. Also, when you go ahead over to challenges, you have daily challenges here as well. Okay, futures trading challenge. Now, if you want to, you could go ahead and redeem what type of product. It could be spot product or coin products or VIPs. Okay, so for example, you already have 200 points and you wanted to get 50% interest voucher or spot margin voucher. If you want this one, just click on redeem. As I see, your point balance is too low. Well, you have to earn points. Okay, reward type here as well. You have coupons, trading bonus, just like so, interest vouchers. Now, when you go ahead and go to coupon center, right here, you can go ahead and redeem vouchers. Okay, at the top right, just click on it, enter the code right here or the 8-digit redemption code and just hit on claim right here. And once that's done, you should be good to go. And that's just basically how you redeem Bitget points. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.